Today, let's talk about stories. The neuroscience behind storytelling. We all love good stories. It's because of the neural ballet that happens in your brain, in our brain. Neural ballet? Yep. When you read or listen to a story, it triggers certain neurochemicals and neurotransmitters in your brain. So you are compelled to act and respond. That's because, for instance, stories produce oxytocin if you share a relatable, personal, heart-touching incident. Oxytocin is the chemical for empathy, trust, love, bond. Stories produce endorphins if you make your readers laugh. Endorphins are the chemicals of pleasure, feel good, stress reliever. And stories produce cortisol, stress, when you make your readers uncomfortable. So stories are the hormones that creates fight or flight response. And stories produce adrenaline if you put your readers on edge of action. Adrenaline, as you know, it increases heart rate and gives an energy boost. Stories produce dopamine, the molecule for hope. It piques interest and it creates interest. It drives people to take action. Brain blowing, right? That's why stories make you come alive. That's why when you write stories, you can influence people's decisions. That's why stories change people's behavior. And that's why stories persuade people to act. You know, religions use this all the time. No wonder stories are the best way to attract like-minded people, grow your tribe, and sell your offers. And guess what's the easiest and fastest way to write stories? Even if you have never written stories before. It's my wickedly wacky name, PITT story writing method. My mentees who have never written stories before have written stories in less than 30 minutes. How cool is that? That's my promise to you. You will write money-making stories live in almost under 30 minutes. And with practice, you will only get faster and better. So if this fascinates you, let me know, connect with me on LinkedIn or comment PITT and slide into my DM. I will send over this page that is converting at above 34% from warm audience. It's 31.581%. So to be honest, even for just checking that sales page, you can DM me. And if you're tempted to join, I can't be blamed. But I won't definitely be following you up with any latent sales messages. So that said, now that you know the neuroscience behind storytelling, go and write some damn good stories. And if you reach out to me, I will definitely help you because stories gives us wings. And I'll be back with another video soon. If you found this valuable, share your comments and thoughts and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done. Cheers.